Hello everyone, welcome back to my Dream Academy. Guys, today we will discuss a small topic, very conceptual topic about the blood coagulation, means blood clotting, right now. So guys, you know about there are a number of factors involved in a blood clotting right now, but we will discuss according to our NCERT, right? Guys, in a blood clotting, suppose that injury occur right now. What guys? Injury occur. Then what will be happen guys? Tissue will be ruptured, and after the rupturing of the tissue, what will be happen guys? Immediately platelets will be ruptured. So if injury occur, then platelets will be ruptured. Platelets will be ruptured. Right now, platelets will be ruptured. Guys, when platelets will be ruptured, these platelets releases one protein, and the protein is called the thromboplastin. Thromboplastin. Right guys, these platelets releases protein known as what? This is called the thromboplastin, and this thromboplastin bind with calcium, and it form what guys? It form the thrombokinase. Thrombokinase, right now. So formation of thrombokinase occur in our blood. Already you know guys, in our blood what present guys? Presence of the prothrombin. Presence of what guys? Presence of the prothrombin is there, as well as what guys? Presence of the fibrinogen occur. Fibrinogen. So prothrombin and fibrinogen are present in form of what guys? In form of the inactive. It present inactive form. Right now it present what guys? It present inactive form. What I said, listen carefully. When injury occur, so our platelets will be ruptured. Now after the rupturing of platelets releases one protein, and the protein is known as what? This is called the thromboplastin. This thromboplastin bind with calcium, and it form what guys? It form the thrombokinase. Right now, thrombokinase. In our blood already inactive form prothrombin and fibrinogens are present right now. So this thrombokinase convert what guys? It convert prothrombin into thrombin. Prothrombin into what guys? Thrombin. So thrombin is what? Thrombin is a active form. Thrombin is what guys? Thrombin is the active form is there right now. Thrombokinase convert prothrombin into thrombin. After that guys, fibrinogen also present in an inactive form. So in the presence of what guys? In the presence of a thrombin, this thrombin convert fibrinogen into what guys? Fibrinogen into fibrin. Fibrinogen into fibrin. So fibrin is what guys? Fibrin is a active form, and this fibrin is mainly responsible for what guys? Mainly responsible for the blood clotting. In the sense what guys? It form the net like structure, and what guys? It form the clot. It form what guys? It form the clot. So generally what is the simple process of the blood clot coagulation or blood clotting guys? Normally suppose that any accident happened like that, so our tissue will be ruptured, injury occur and tissue will be ruptured right now. Now platelets will be ruptured guys right now. Now these platelets will be releases one protein, and the name of the protein is known as a thromboplastin. What guys? Thromboplastin. Thromboplastin bind with what guys? Bind with calcium ion, and it form what? It form the thrombokinase. What form guys? Thrombokinase. You know guys, already I discussed in our blood what present guys? In our blood plasma what present guys? Presence of the prothrombin and fibrinogens are occur. These are present in an inactive form. So what the thrombokinase function guys? This thrombokinase is responsible for the conversion of prothrombin into thrombin right now. So inactive prothrombin convert into active thrombin. Already I said guys, fibrinogen is also present right now. So fibrinogen is what present in form of the active right now, inactive form. So guys, this thrombin is responsible for the conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin, and this fibrin form the net like structure, and it form what guys? It form the clot. So this is what guys? It is a process of what? It is a process of the blood coagulation, blood clotting, how the blood will be clot. How the blood will be clot right now guys. And already I discussed guys what is the percentage of prothrombin and fibrinogen in our plasma. Already I said guys, how much percentage guys? 0.03% in a plasma region. What guys? 0.03 in a plasma region. Is that clear guys or not? So this is what guys? This is a small description of what guys? Small description of the blood coagulation or blood clotting. So have a nice day guys. We will meet in next video.